Hello everyone, this is Rutrita. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, The Beautiful Soul. Today I'm going to talk about a facial kit, and this is, I think, facial kit. This is something which we really need at this point of time because we are not going to salon, I guess, everyone. So this is something which we really need into our life right now. So I thought, why not to share quite a nice experience with you all, where you guys can easily achieve very nice bright skin using all these steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today I am going to talk about Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit, and this is how it looks like. The best thing which I love the most about this package, because I have already used so many facial kits earlier, but nothing came in this affordable range, at the same time easy to use products as well. So these are the products, and you can see all the steps are written over here. So this is the step 1, this is the cleanser. So we have our step 2 as a scrub, then we have our nourishing cream, this is step 3. The next one is this step 4, this is massage cream. Then we have our step 5, this is face mask. And last but not the least is step 6, this is finishing cream. So you guys can easily get your hands on them in Nykaa, and they have always some attractive offers now and then going on, so you guys can definitely check this out. So now I'm going to show you my step-by-step process how you can get this done at your home. So the first step is cleansing. The best thing about this facial kit is all this comes in this cute little packaging, because most of the companies what usually does is they used to give sachets which are, I think, which are something quite annoying, because you can't reuse it. So once you open the sachet, you have to use it on that go, whether you need it or not. So I think this is quite a good initiative by Pond's. So first I will start with cleansing my face. So I am taking some amount into my palm, and I will apply it onto my face and massage it for good 2 to 3 minutes. The smell is quite nice. And now I will take a damp cotton pad and I will wipe it off using this cotton pad. So now when we are done with our cleansing part, we will go ahead with scrubbing, and for this we have this scrub. So I have dampened my face, and I will take some amount of product into my fingers, and this is how it looks like. And if you have so many active acne on your skin, you should definitely avoid this step. And now I will just massage it for good 1 to 2 minutes, not vigorously, so softly, using circular motions. And now I will wash it off this thing. So now after washing my face off, I will use this step 3, this is nourishing cream, and I will take some amount into my fingertips. This is good enough, and this is how it looks like. And now I will apply it onto my face and massage this until everything get absorbed by your skin. As you can see now, this nourishing cream is quite nicely absorbed by my skin. So I will go ahead with massage cream, and this is how it looks like. And I will take a good amount of this cream to my palm, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. And I will start massaging onto my face like this way. So massage for good 10 to 15 minutes. And this is how my skin looks like after massaging for good 12 minutes, as you can see. So moving towards, this is our next step. This is applying face mask, and now I will apply my face mask. And this is how it looks like. And now I will apply a semi-thick layer of this face mask all over my face. So I'm done applying with this face mask, and I will keep it for good 10 to 15 minutes or until it totally dried up completely. So just wait for it. So after it's almost 10 minutes now, and you can see it's completely dried now. So I'm just going to wash it off. So now I have completely washed my face off, and now my face is completely dried. Now this is the last step, and this is, we have our finishing cream, and I will take some to my fingers, and this is how it looks like, and I will apply it all over my face, massaging gently. And we are done. So we are done, and you guys can see how my skin is definitely feeling very soft, hydrated and moistured, and at the same time it feels really good to have this kind of facial at home. So they also have another variant, and this is the charcoal anti-pollution facial kit. You can also try this one, and when it comes to the price point, it is only of 300 rupees. I feel like this is really cheap according to other facial kits available in the markets, and when it comes from a brand like Pond's, you can definitely blindfoldedly trust on that. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay healthy. Bye.